Indicating biological age. That's what's here. That's what's arrived. It's been here for some time actually. And in a sense, let's categorize what we're talking about. In the last conversation, we were talking about biological computing, which is growing essentially mini brains using stem cells on electronics and circuitry on silicon as a means to create an entirely different type of computational capability, and that's significant. But alongside that, you have this thing called physical twinning. Now, you've probably heard of digital twinning or avatars or digital twinning. So that's like creating a copy of a machine or a process. An avatar or a digital twin is, an in-game sort of character maybe, or a digital assistant, which is based loosely on you, which is not you, of course. But then think about physical twinning. And it's a little bit like biological computing. Well, it's a lot like it, actually. You use, again, stem cell technology, and you steer the instruction sets, and they start sort of creating copies of parts of your body, hearts, lungs, respiratory systems generally, all kinds of different things, livers, kidneys, what have you. And what's the purpose of that? We're not talking Frankenstein's monster, although I'm sure somebody will do something with it. But what we are talking about is the ability to, on tissue that is identical to yours, because it's using your stem cells. So ethically, you give permission. And quite frankly, I'd like to have a mini brain and a mini heart and a mini liver and what have you. So if anything comes my way in terms of a condition, then drugs and procedures and cures and things could be tested on these physical twins. Makes perfect sense, doesn't it? And of course, ultimately, we're talking about spare parts. From you, by you, your DNA, your programming, your permission. That's where it's going. Physical twinning. Bet you hadn't heard that one. Talk soon.